What happens if Cadillac, the epitome of luxury in America, chooses to construct a motorhome? The end product is a camper that is so opulent and modern that it makes five-star hotels seem archaic. Introducing the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a car that embodies genuine living rather than merely travel. Remember to press the bell button, like, and subscribe so you don't miss any more groundbreaking revelations like this one. 1. Cadillac enters the motorhome world. Cadillac is renowned for its production of high-end SUVs and sedans. Hence, the company's entry into the motorhome industry is considered a monumental event. The Cadillac Motorhome, which is scheduled to be released in 2026, is a revolutionary vehicle that blends old American elegance with contemporary design, entirely transforming our understanding of what a camper may be. This camper is more than simply a recreational vehicle, RV. It is also a declaration of power, status, and technology. 2. Exterior design, a rolling work of art. When you first look at the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, it seems to be something that has been taken directly off the set of a science fiction film. Its enormous body is covered in sleek aerodynamic lines that flow flawlessly over its surface. It stands out from everything else on the road because of the iconic Cadillac front grille and the striking LED lights. The panoramic glass windshield, which wraps around the vehicle to provide a perspective like a cockpit, is one of the elements that stands out. The steps are concealed and can be smoothly pulled out because they are designed to be retractable. Oversized 24-inch alloy wheels that are meant to be both stable and aesthetically pleasing, LED light strips that extend down the sidewalls to provide a modern radiance. Not only has Cadillac constructed a motorhome, but they have also managed to create a house on wheels that can be driven. 3. Powertrain and performance, silent strength. Cadillac is well aware of the fact that luxury is meaningless if it is not accompanied by performance. There are two different choices for the power plant that comes with the 2026 motorhome. Hybrid electric vehicle with a V8 engine for power paired with efficiency. The Ultium battery architecture from Cadillac is the power source for this all-electric model, and it provides the vehicle with an enormous driving range of more than 400 miles on a single charge. The solar panels that are installed on the roof provide an extra source of energy for the onboard equipment, which guarantees that you will continue to have electricity and access to the internet regardless of how remote the region is. In addition, this RV is equipped with all-wheel drive and an innovative adaptive suspension, which allows it to provide a ride that is smoother than that of the majority of luxury vehicles, even while traveling over rough terrain. 4. Interior design, beyond luxury living. Once you have stepped inside, you will come to the realization that this RV is not your average camper. Within the confines of a recreational vehicle, Cadillac has successfully replicated the experience of being in a high-end penthouse apartment. Highlights of the property include a living room with leather recliners, a surround sound system, and a smart television that is 60 inches in size and uses OLED technology, a chef's kitchen that is fully equipped with induction cooktops, a microwave, a wine cooler, and even a refrigerator with 2 doors. A master bedroom featuring the utmost in luxury, complete with a king-sized bed, a memory foam mattress, and ambient lighting. Bathrooms that are inspired by spas and include features such as rainfall showers, flooring with radiant heat, and touch panel controls. High-quality materials like hand-stitched leather, finely carved wood trim, and brushed metal accents ensure the expert creation of every inch. 5. Smart technology, a mobile command center. Cadillac has equipped this motorhome with the most advanced smart technology available to keep you in control at all times. The following are a few of the most notable features. This motorhome allows you to manage the temperature, lighting, and entertainment via voice commands. Real-time traffic information, predictive maintenance alarms, and artificial intelligence-supported navigation are all features of the digital cockpit dashboard. You can be sure that you will always be able to connect to the internet, regardless of where you are, thanks to the satellite internet and 5G connection. The fully integrated security system features biometric access, 360-degree cameras, and emergency alerts. This is more than just a motorhome. It is a mobile smart home that is equipped with all the latest technology. 6. Comfort and space. Designed for families and travelers. The Cadillac Motorhome is constructed with wide living rooms, which is in contrast to conventional recreational vehicles, where the feeling of space is restricted. The inside of the RV may be transformed into a fully furnished living apartment by simply pressing a button, which causes the slide-out portions to extend outward and increase the amount of available living space. It can easily carry up to 6 people, making it an excellent choice for both family vacations and luxurious road excursions with friends. 7. Sustainability. Luxury meets responsibility. Cadillac has not overlooked the growing demand for environmentally friendly automobiles. The completely electric type does not emit any emissions, and even the hybrid variant produces less carbon than typical RVs do. Among the other environmental elements are water recycling systems for sinks and showers. The integration of solar energy will decrease the amount of generator use. The vehicle also features energy-efficient climate control systems. Cadillac is proof that it is possible to travel in luxury without causing damage to the environment. 8. Price tag and market impact. Therefore, what is the price tag that comes with this high-end vehicle? Industry experts anticipate that the beginning price will range from $350,000 to $450,000, depending on the personalization. It is true that it is a high price, but the amenities, technology, and unparalleled elegance that come with it might fundamentally transform the market for luxury recreational vehicles. Rival motorhome manufacturers will need to enhance their standards to match Cadillac's benchmark. 9. Why this motorhome is a game changer. Let's review the reasons why the Cadillac Motorhome, which is scheduled to be released in 2026, is entirely different from any other motorhome on the market. The exterior design of the Cadillac Motorhome is futuristic and commands attention. Hybrid and electric powertrains are available for both performance and sustainability. The interiors are as luxurious as those found in 5-star hotels. For the greatest possible convenience, smart home technology is available. The vehicle boasts large, comfortable spaces that can expand to accommodate more people. This vehicle's engineering prioritizes environmental sensitivity, encouraging responsible travel. Taken as a whole, all of these characteristics combine to make this vehicle a real game changer in the world of camping vehicles. 10. The future of motorhomes. The Cadillac Motorhome, which is scheduled to be released in 2026, is much more than simply a luxurious camper. It is a vision of the future. This is a future where traveling doesn't require compromising, but instead, it enhances one's lifestyle. It demonstrates that going on a road trip can be just as luxurious as staying in a luxury suite, while also allowing one to be mobile, connected, and environmentally conscious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more.